We are here at the Fairfield Inn and Suites, Miami Airport, Doral West. So this one is a little ways west of the Miami International Airport. Taking a look at a 2-queen room. All right, so starting with the door, if I pan down, of course, you can see the safety information and everything. Got a peephole above the door as well. In the locks department, we have a latch that will catch it, of course, if it opens. We also have our bolt. So we have a master switch, so if this switch turns off, they say it turns everything off, but yeah. So we have a light switch that turns the light on above the, well, in the little entryway here. It may also control the other lights in the room, at least according to what this sign says. Well, I'm not going to test that, but yeah. Over here we have the bathroom. Hello. Nice mirror. Panning down, you have the sink area with soap and Kleenexes. Also the bathroom light switch. Looks like a little nightlight and a couple outlets and some towels. So moving on, we have the throne kind of behind a little divider wall here. And next to and across from the toilet facilities is the shower. Looks like a big walk-in shower. Behind the door, hanging up on a hook, is the hair dryer. And as we come out of the bathroom, we have a few shelves with microwave, ice bucket, and cups. And below you have coffee pot with assorted coffee and tea. And then below that we have a little mini fridge. This is, of course, a 2-queen room, as I mentioned before. Next to the beds, we have a little closet space with a hook that you can hang some stuff on. And then a wardrobe that opens up with some hangers, iron and ironing board, and a shelf above. There are some hangers up on the wall, so if you want to hang some stuff here, with or without a hanger, I guess that could work. And as we spin around, have a little table to put stuff on with some drawers. And as we continue over, we have the TV. We have our work desk with a little reading lamp over here. I guess reading / work lamp, however you want to see it. And that's basically it. You have a little lamp over here in the corner. And then, of course, the window and the HVAC system is down there. So there is a little reading lamp here, so you can kind of adjust this accordingly. I would recommend lowering it before you turn it on, unless you really just want to blind yourself for some reason, but hey, you do you. I mean, they're not going to judge. Over here between the beds, we have the remote for the TV, a little alarm clock, and of course the phone. And then there's another reading lamp on this bed as well. But this has been a look at a room at the Fairfield Miami Airport West. Pretty simple room, but it'll get the job done for one night. If you liked the video and liked the content, be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe below. And until next time, this is Matt signing off. Have a good one.